Yep, that's what happens to cats here in Iceland.
Look at him. Look at Keith. There he goes. Okay, this is Keith. It was him. Now he doesn't want to be seen. He's going to act for us. There he is. He's thinking,
I can't make it.
yeah. Okay, apparently he did damage his vehicle, so they're going to make some repairs on it.
Okay, I don't know what Keith is doing, but he's planning to destroy his Xterra vehicle. He's going to try and make it up that that mound there. Here we go. Yes, sirree. He'll be walking to class all week.
Hey, here, see you can move that rock over some. Hold on. Which one? You don't have to listen to it. No, he never had any. Shit! Cold, hot. Very cold. Alright, come on up, bud.
Just floor it.
Floor it. Yeah, floor it fast!
Oh yeah.
Slow, real easy. Back off. Back off real easy. Real easy. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Turn your wheel this way. Alright, straight up. It's okay.
Oh, he's nervous, all right.
Yeah, he is.
Okay.
Oh,
good picture opportunity here. You can go all the way up.
Actually, hold on.
No,
This is too loose right here. He's not. Well, this is Iceland.
Can you back down?
I don't know if he's going to be able to back out.
Yeah, he'll back out of that.
You're stuck
You
now.
wanted to leave us here, didn't you, Keith?
Hey, Keith, you got your camera?
Seemed like a good idea at the time.
Can you back down, Keith?
In my truck, it'll look like it's on an incline, too.
Unwise.
There you go.